Shift focus here on the Bombay High Court as it's all set to resume hearing of Aryan Khan's bail plea at 2:30 p.m. And at that hearing today, Narcotics Control Bureau will be arguing its case seeking extension of Shah Rukh Khan's son's judicial custody. NCB on its part maintains that offences under the NDPS Act are non-bailable and claims that Aryan's involvement in illicit drug trafficking is apparent and there is a possible link between Aryan Khan and foreign drug peddlers. NCB has also said that there are clear instances of tampering with investigation and influencing of witnesses. Mukul Rohatgi, on his part, representing Aryan Khan, argued that there has been no consumption, no recovery and no evidence that shows Aryan's participation in this so-called conspiracy and abatement as alleged by the NCB. Now, for Aryan Khan, if he is not granted relief in the next 3 days, he will have to stay in jail until 15th of November, since the court will be closed for Diwali holidays. Let me cut across to Devesh for more on that. Devesh, another 3 days remaining for Aryan Khan to get bail, if at all. If not, the court will be cut out for Diwali break. It will be closed, and that means a prolonged stint in prison for Aryan Khan. What's the likelihood today for Aryan Khan to get bail, considering you have Shah Rukh also going to be part of the Bombay High Court hearing? I'm sure, I mean, this could be a frivolous question, but could that bear any bearing on the High Court's decision to grant bail to Aryan Khan, his son?
Well, Nabila, it is completely on the High Court bench listening to the bail application on whether they will decide, they'll grant bail to Aryan Khan or not. As of now, the arguments from Aryan Khan's defense lawyer, senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, has been concluded. He has completed his argument. Now, argument from other lawyers representing other accused, like Amit Desai, is now representing Arbaz Merchant, Aryan Khan's friend, who is also an accused in this case. He will begin his argument today. After that, there could be the lawyer of Munmun Damecha, whose argument could be heard by the court. And after that, ASG Anil Singh, representing the Narcotics Control Bureau, will give his part of argument. He will argue on why the bail shouldn't be granted to the three accused who have applied for bail at the Bombay High Court after their bail application was rejected at the Sessions Court. So it is going to take time. Yesterday we saw that over 2 hours the argument began with Mukul Rohatgi arguing why bail should be granted to Aryan Khan, and it went on for over 2 hours. And just when Amit Desai was to begin arguing for Arbaz Merchant, the court concluded and they asked them to appear the next day, that is today. And today, post-lunch, the hearing has been kept in front of Justice Samre's bench at the Bombay High Court. So it will take some time. It is not yet clear whether it will be decided today or it might continue further tomorrow on when it will be decided. And yes, but in the next 3 days, if it is not decided, then Aryan Khan remains in jail for the Diwali break also, and only post Diwali, when the High Court reopens, then the hearing could start and then a decision could be taken. But if the decision is taken today or tomorrow and if bail is granted, Aryan Khan could walk out of the prison, walk out of the Arthur Road prison where he has been lodged, and go back home while waiting for the trial to start in this case. As of now, it is not yet decided whether bail will be granted to Aryan Khan or not, because arguments haven't started. ASG Anil Singh is yet to argue from NCB's side, and NCB is strongly opposing the bail application.
Right.
They have mentioned Pooja Dadlani's name, who's Shah Rukh Khan's manager. And
you have a lot for, and we know that the NCB has a lot this time to argue before court, considering they have some really incriminating WhatsApp chats where Aryan Khan has spoken of 80,000 rupees worth ganja. He's spoken of cocaine. There's a lot of talk on consumption as well as purchase. Well, stay with us. We have some big breaking coming in right here.